Hello, today we'll learn to configure RealFlight to work with your Spektrum transmitter. Let's get started. In order to establish a wireless connection to RealFlight, we're going to push the button on the WS2000 and hold it as we insert it into the USB slot. It should begin flashing rapidly, indicating that it is ready to be bound. Use your transmitter's binding sequence to bind to the WS2000. You'll notice the LED on the WS2000 slow and eventually goes solid once it's connected. If you are using an NX transmitter, you also have the option of connecting to the simulator through a wired connection through USB. In order to access this feature, go to the menu and go to System Setup. Once in the System Setup menu, scroll down and go to USB Settings. You will want to change the mode to Game Controller. Press the back button several times to get back to the main screen. Once that is completed, you will want to insert the USB cable into the back of the NX transmitter. Once this has been completed, you are now ready to open up RealFlight. Once you have RealFlight open, select Fly, press Escape to enter the menu. Go to Settings, Controller, Configure Controller, and the Select Controller menu will pop up. Please make note of the controller profile you have selected. Go to Calibrate. Make sure to center all of your controls and switches. Select Next. On this screen, make sure to rotate each stick several times and flip each of your selected switches several times also to calibrate them. Once you have confirmed that everything's working correctly, press Finish. This will take you back to your controller selection screen. Now we're on the same profile, select Edit. In the Edit screen, please make note of the input and the function columns. When you're ready, select the blue box across from the function that you would like to assign a switch and flip the switch you would like to assign to it. You're going to repeat this step for the other functions you would like to assign switches to. Some of the most used channels will be channel 6, flaps, channel 7, smoke, which will also operate your retracts, and channel 8 for flight modes. This will include helicopter flight modes and AS3X and safe. Select Save As and enter a new name for the new profile. Select Close when finished. This new profile will be now selectable for the controller, and you can press the X or OK when finished. You are now ready to fly.